Welcome back to my channel. And today's my tutorial is about a slope of the line. Halika, samahan niyo ako sa classroom. Understanding math terminologies is one of the important factor na kailangan mo talaga i-consider kasi importante yan sa math problem eh. Kung hindi mo kasi naintindihan yung mga terminologies diyan na nakasulat sa problem, hindi mo ma-solve ang problem. So this is one very important factor to consider. So we'll have another problem. Write the point-slope form and the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line which is with slope 4 that passes through the point -1 and 3. So sa problem na to, ano na naman tong point-slope form at saka the slope-intercept form at saka yung slope. Slope, which we designate in mathematics as M, it is a number that describes the direction of the line and the steepness of the line. So, halimbawa, meron tayong graph dito. This is an X and this is the Y. So, for example, this is the slope of the line. And we have this one point A, for example, and point B, for example. So, we have to draw this one. This is the change in Y over the change in X. That means the slope is equal to the change in Y over the change in X, which is the rise over the run. That is the slope. Now, halimbawa ito, where is this one? So here we have this, the slope. Now, here, to solve this one, what is given here is the point -1 and 3 and the slope, which is we designate as M. Well, in mathematics, we designate the slope as M. So, here is the given, the point of the line, which is -1 and 3, and the slope. Now, for example, we have this graph. We have this X, and we have this Y. Now, this point, -1 and 3, this is the X and the Y. This is the X. So, for example, the X is -1. So, X on this side is positive, but X on this side is negative. So, -1, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we have a point -1, which is this one, 1. And the 3 is Y. That means up, because Y up is positive, Y down is negative. So, 1, 2, 3. So, the 3 is here. So, this is 3. So, if you have to draw the line from here to here, this is the point. This is the point -1 and 3. Yun yung point. Now, the slope, there is no given another line, the ending and the beginning. So, this one, we assume that this is the beginning point. So, we will assume that the line is like this. Passes through the point -1 and 3. Because this is -1 and 3. This point. So, this is the slope of the line. Now, what is required here is this equation of the line using the point-slope form and the slope-intercept form. Now, according to mathematics, there are three ways. There are three equations to solve the slope of the line. First is the point slope form, which is equal to y minus y1 times x minus x1. And we have the slope-intercept form, which is equal to y is equal to m times x plus b. And the third one is the standard form, which is ax plus by is equal to c. Ito yung tatlong equations na pwede mo magamit to solve the m, to solve the slope of the line. So here, what is asked here is the point slope form. That means we have to make an equation like this. And another one is the slope-intercept form, which is the equation must be like this. So ito dapat ang sagot natin, ganito na forma at saka yung ganito. The point slope form and the slope-intercept form. Now here, so how do you solve this one? From this, as I've said before, if this is minus 1 and this is the 3 and minus 1, so this is a line. So it might be that the slope of the line must be like this because it must pass the point minus 1 and 3. So dito, ito ang tinatawag natin na dito tayo beginning point, which is minus 1 and 3, and we don't know the ending point where it is. For sure, must be here somewhere else, the ending. So you designate it as x and y. This is the ending point, the last point. Now, how to write the point slope form? From this equation, y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Okay. Now we have the given slope, which is 4, and we have the given beginning point, which is minus 1 and 3. So we designate this one as minus 1, which is the x1, and 3, which is the minus 1. So we can substitute all these values to this equation. We can have the point slope form, which is y minus y1, which is equal to 3, is equal to the m, which is 4, times the x minus the x1, which is equal to minus 1. So x minus minus 1, y minus 3, therefore, is equal to 4x plus 4. Now, we get the first answer, which is the point slope form. Now, the second one is the slope-intercept form, which is this one. Y is equal to mx plus b. It's easy. From this already, we have already the point slope form. So, we can rewrite this one using this. So, y therefore is equal to, transfer this one to this one, will become, so 4x plus 4 plus this one will become, the negative 3 here will become positive, so it's equal to 4x plus 7. Therefore, here it is. We solve the other one, which is in the equation in a slope-intercept form, which is equal to y is equal to 4x plus 7.
Sorry, it's DJ.